Hello students, good morning everyone. Myself Yagdat Sharma. I am taking class 8th subject Mathematics chapter 10 Visualizing Solid Shapes. In previous video I have covered 2D shapes, 3D shapes, view of 3D shapes, representation of 3D objects, various parts, faces, edges, vertices, nested solids, and mapping space around us. Okay students, in this video I will cover exercise 10.3 from NCERT book. Based on exercise 10.3 Euler's relation for 3D figures. What is the Euler's relation? What is the Euler's relation? F plus V minus E is equal to 2. F is the number of faces of 3D figure. V is the number of vertices of solid figure. And E means number of edges of solid figure. Okay friends, in video I will verify Euler's relation for different solids. So first of all I will take cuboid for cuboid के लिए मैं यूलर्स रिलेशन को वेरीफाई करके बताऊंगा आपको. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट F means number of faces in cuboid. How many faces? 6 number of faces in a cuboid. Then V means number of vertices in a cuboid, 8. And number of edges is equal to 12. Okay students, I have told about number of faces, number of vertices and number of edges. Okay, now I will put all values in left hand side of Euler's relation. Now putting all values in left hand side. F, first of all write relation. Now you will put value of F. F is 6 plus V 8 and E 12 is equal to. Now add positive value. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14 minus 12 is equal to 2. Okay students, Euler's relation is verified for a cuboid. क्यूबॉइड के लिए वेरीफाई हो गया. वेरीफाई कैसे हो गया कि एफ वी और ई की वैल्यू हमने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में पुट की और सॉल्व करके आ गया 2. अगर हम एफ वी और ई की वैल्यू पुट करके 2 आता है तो यूलर्स रिलेशन वेरीफाइड हो जाएगा. और अगर 2 के इक्वल नहीं आता है तो यूलर्स रिलेशन वेरीफाइड नहीं होगा. नाउ I will tell you, I will verify Euler's relation for next figure. Next figure, suppose triangular prism. Second, for a triangular prism. Triangular prism. Now question is right. How many number of it is a shape of triangular prism. Can you see this figure? This is the shape of triangular prism. So count number of faces, F is equal to. How many faces in this figure? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. F. V. Number of vertices V. How many vertex? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And number of edges is equal to 1, 2, 3. 3 इसके दूसरी साइड 6 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. It means total number of edges are 9. Okay students, now putting all values in left hand side of Euler's relation F V minus E. F is equal to 5, V 6 and E 9. Now solve it. 5 plus 6 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. Okay friends, we can say that Euler's relation is verified for a triangular prism. Next, I want to take next figure, square prism. Square prism. Okay, you will learn all things. F, it means number of faces in a square prism. Total faces are 6, in which 2 are square face and 4 are rectangular face. Okay students, so number of vertices is equal to, in square prism, number of vertices are 8 and number of edges is equal to 12. Now I will take left hand side of Euler's relation. By Euler's relation, okay, F plus V minus E is equal to, F means 6, V 8 or E 12. So 6 plus 8 14 minus 12 is equal to 2. अब आप देख सकते हैं कि जब हम F, V और E की वैल्यू यूलर्स रिलेशन में पुट करते हैं तो सॉल्व करके क्या आता है 2. इट मींस यूलर्स रिलेशन इज वेरीफाइड. आपको करना क्या है, यूलर्स रिलेशन में गिवन फिगर से आपको नंबर ऑफ फेसेस फाइंड करने हैं, नंबर ऑफ वर्टेक्सेस एंड नंबर ऑफ एजेस, और इसमें पुट करना है. और पुट करने के बाद आपको देखना है कि 2 आता है या नहीं आता है. अगर 2 आ जाएगा सो यूलर्स रिलेशन इज वेरीफाइड. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ आई वांट टू टेक नेक्स्ट फिगर. फॉर ट्राइएंगुलर पिरामिड. triangular pyramid. Other name of this, tetrahedron. Okay friends, first of all find number of faces in triangular pyramid. It means tetrahedron. How many number of faces? 4. And number of vertices in triangular pyramid is equal to 4 and E is equal to 6. Now by Euler's relation f plus v minus e is equal to f is equal to 4 plus v is equal to 4 minus e is equal to 6. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Hence Euler's relation is verified. इसमें आपको बस इतना करना है. अगर क्वेश्चन आता है कि वेरीफाई यूलर्स रिलेशन फॉर दिस फिगर, पर्टिकुलर फिगर का नेम होगा, आपको बस केवल इस टाइप से क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है. गिवन फिगर के नंबर ऑफ फेसेस फाइंड करो, नंबर ऑफ वर्टेक्सेस फाइंड करो और नंबर ऑफ एजेस, और इस यूलर्स रिलेशन में पुट करो. पुट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में पुट करेंगे और अगर सॉल्व करके 2 आ जाएगा तो यूलर्स रिलेशन इज वेरीफाइड. आई होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंड these questions. Now I will verify Euler's relation for next figure, square pyramid. In square pyramid, number of faces are 5, in which 1 is square face and 4 are triangular faces. Number of vertices in square pyramid is equal to 5. Number of edges in square pyramid is equal to 8. Now, by using Euler's relation, f plus v minus e is equal to f5, v5 and e8. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Hence, Euler's relation is verified for square pyramid. So you can solve all questions from exercise 10.3